Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You're ready to add subtitles. Start by opening TikTok and choosing or recording the video you'll use. Tap next to reach the editing screen. Don't waste time toggling settings. Make sure your audio is clear because automatic captions rely on speech detection. If noisy, use a quick retake. Once done, glance at language settings and ensure TikTok's set to the video language. These first steps speed up the rest of the process and reduce errors when captions are generated. Now generate captions by tapping Captions. TikTok will transcribe automatically. Be patient while it processes. Once captions appear, edit misheard words immediately. Correct names, acronyms, or slang so viewers understand. Use the line splitting option to avoid one long block. Shorter phrases read faster. Make sure timing aligns with when you speak. Drag caption segments if they're early or late. Also set font size and color to contrast with your footage, so text remains legible across devices. Finish by previewing the whole video to confirm caption timing, spelling, and legibility across scenes. Play at normal speed and watch carefully. If captions don't appear or are garbled, re-record a short clip with clearer speech, toggle captions off and on, or manually add text stickers for critical lines. This is a reliable fallback. Once satisfied, post with captions enabled so viewers who are deaf or watching muted can follow. One tip: if automatic captions repeatedly fail, export and add burned-in subtitles in a simple.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.